360-degree lipo transformation or liposuction. What does it mean when we say 360-degree liposuction? It is in one surgery addressing the abdomen, the love handles, the back and little bit of stubborn fat around your thighs, buttocks. So that means sculpting your silhouette in the 360 degree in one surgery, which so that you don't have to worry about undergoing under the knife again and again. The recovery time will be same and you will get all the results in one time. Hi, I am Dr. Smriti Nathani, plastic and cosmetic surgeon. I am board certified plastic surgeon working at Tamira Plastic Surgery Hospital. Let me break it down for you what a 360-degree liposuction looks like and what is involved in that, how to expect, what we can offer you and what are the limitations. Come with me, we will talk about this. So, liposuction, first of all, it is not a weight reduction surgery, it is a body sculpting surgery. By doing liposuction, we give you that desired silhouette and shape so that you look better. Many a times patients have these problems like there is a little bit of bulge over the bra rolls, the love handles are more, the abdomen is more, and they think that they will need multiple surgeries to tackle all these areas one by one. No, if you are going to an experienced board certified plastic surgeons who do these surgeries often in their center, this all can be treated in one go. So how do we go about it? First, it starts with the clinical examination and discussion with your doctor where we understand your concerns according to your body weight, according to your comorbidities and everything. We plan this surgery for you, and first step is to think whether or not this surgery can be done for you. If it falls under your body weight criteria and the safety protocols, we go ahead with this surgery. So, what can we do or what can we offer? As I said, 360 liposuction is about sculpting your silhouette. What do? We can address your abdomen, back, bra rolls and thighs at the same time. It can be also combined with the arms if it falls under the safety criteria of the plastic surgeon. So, we can define your waist, giving you an hourglass effect. Make your body look more feminine or masculine depending upon how your body is now, and it is customizable. So we talk to you and plan how to go about this surgery. Typically these surgeries last for around 3 to 4 hours. Very safe to undergo if it is done at a good center which understands what all these surgeries take. The recovery period typically takes around 4 to 5 days, but when can you join work? You can join work mostly after 10 days from the surgery, but yes, work from home can be taken care after 4 to 5 days from the surgery. Hospital stay, how many days it is required? Typically 1 or 2 days of hospital stay is recommended, because when we addressed more than 1 or 2 parts, it is better to stay at hospital for better care, for better support and also for the pain management. When you are in hospital, we can give you the intravenous drugs for pain management and you feel better much earlier and you are on your feet. A word of caution, what to expect from this? Expect refinement but not Photoshop. It can improve your posture, it can improve your body so that the clothes fit you better, you feel more confident in your own skin and you look more good in the photos, and most importantly your confidence increases. What we can't treat is the cellulite. The loose skin cannot be handled much after liposuction, and we cannot make you a Photoshop body like the celebrities. It takes time and it takes many other procedures like non-surgical procedures to refine that skin, cellulite, etc. Another very important point here, 360-degree liposuction gives you a head start to a healthy lifestyle. It is not a hall pass from your exercises and diet. In the post-op recovery, we help you with the lymphatic massage, with the right diet protocol and everything so that your recovery is smooth. Also, the compression garment is given so that you have less of bruising, swelling and pain. If you are somebody who is thinking of 360-degree liposuction, or if you are thinking of addressing 2 to 3 parts of the body which are slightly out of shape and you want to address all of them first so that you don't have to get admitted again and again, kindly talk to us, DM us, like, share and subscribe our channel so that you can have more info about such topics in future, and you can call us and message us anytime. Thank you.